Cody. We're working on my Toyota Tacoma. What we're doing here is resurfacing my rotors. So what we're gonna do is take this thing, move it up, push it down a little bit to where it's flush. We got the peg in the hole, and then tighten it. And then you want to tighten this right here so it's tight. Alright. Alright, we're good. And then with this, you want to rotate.
Why are you moving it back in now?
You want to spread these teeth out to where you have enough clearance to push them forward. And you're going to want to put them halfway in the rotor. About right there. Then you're going to want to tighten it up. You want it to where you can just have it to where you can calibrate it, like almost touching but not. And then, alright. And if you look down here, there's this yellow lever. You're gonna want to lock it before you start. Alright, and that means you're ready to go. You're gonna. So now you're gonna want to push this button in. So turn it on. What you're going to want to do is tighten the arms to where they're barely touching.
And one notch over.
Alright. And then
One
it in.
One notch over on that first, and then lock it.
Okay. And then you're gonna want to do one notch
Both sides.
on both sides,
And then reel it in. Right there. And then you're gonna push that in.
So now what you want to do is you want to take this, you want to pull it out all the way, and then you're gonna turn the machine off, and then from there you can loosen. And you're basically just gonna do everything you did to put it on, only opposite. So you're taking it off now. And then you're gonna loosen these bolts up with this wrench.
No, she's calling for some other reason. Oh, hell yeah.
Then you're gonna put your boot and put all your stuff away. And there's your resurfaced rotor. Ta-da!